You said the voice over it. Okay. Okay, good evening, Tanya.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, let's start the class today. I will show you one project of single LED. How to blow a single LED using Arduino. Okay. This is our first project for today. Let's okay, let me share my screen first. First, I will show you how to connect Arduino and LED together. Okay. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, you are able to see my screen.
Yes,
This is
sir.
an Arduino board. This is an Arduino board. You know, visible.
Yes, that's visible.
Let me delete everything and I will next connection for you. Okay. This is our Arduino board. Okay, and this is our breadboard. And I will pick one LED. This is my LED. That is red LED. As I already told you that this is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal.
Negative.
Okay. Okay. So just we have to place this LED to the breadboard. Okay. Two different or vertically things. Okay. One pin is connected here and another pin is connected here. Okay. So I will first show you simply how to blink an LED. Okay. So just this is a negative terminal. Ground is called a negative. Okay. So I'm just gonna connect this and using pin number 14 and output pin I'm connecting to the positive. Okay. Let me change the color of this negative sorry, negative terminal and this is my positive terminal. So it is more clear for you. Okay now. Okay. The connection is clear. Now if I want to blink this LED, I'm just blinking. Okay. Now look, this is start blinking. Okay. Let me show you the coding for this. I will show the coding. Let me delete everything. Okay. So there is no coding. Okay. Now there is no coding. So this image is not blinking. Okay. So just I'm going to introduce some coding. Okay. Without coding, the hardware is useless in electronics. Okay. Without coding, we can't grow this LED. So just I'm telling you two steps that you have to follow two steps or two functions in every simple electronic project. Okay. That we are going to do in future. So let me code this first of all. And let me code this and code it. So here it is. Okay, now I will do that. Here, void setup. The first function you have to remember always or you have to write here. It is a void setup function. Okay. This will initiate the value. Okay. This function will initiate the value. Okay. To the microcontroller. This is a microcontroller. You're looking at my mouse. This is
Yes,
microcontroller.
sir.
Okay. So it will initiate the microcontroller. And second function is void loop. Okay. That will run our actual code. Okay. So in that manner, always these two functions you have to use. Okay. First is setup to set up the microcontroller, and this is for looping. Okay. Let me explain. Like I have to use this pin. Okay. I have to use this pin. So I have to declare here a pin mode. Pin mode and pin number 13. is the output pin. Okay. Just you have to write this line. Okay. That means I have to tell the microcontroller that I am using the pin number 13 as an output pin. Okay. Clear? That
Yes,
means
sir.
I have to tell the microcontroller that I am using 13 pin as an output pin. Okay. Now, if I have to glow this LED, I have to make this 13 pin to high. Okay. High means on and low means off here. Okay. Clear? High means
Yes.
on, on, and low means off. So I will write one function digital WRITE right, and here I am telling compiler that pin number make pin number 13. Okay, you have to write as it is in P small M capital. Okay, in mode, otherwise it will raise an error. Okay, so digital, this function is digital right. So digital D small and W. Okay, otherwise it will raise error. I will see. Let me first run this code. Okay, I'm just running this code and this is blinking. Oh, this is glowing. It is glowing continuously. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I make this low, so I am instructing microcontroller that please make pin number 13 low. Okay, so switch off. What I'm instructing to switching off. If I run the code, it won't glow. Now they let's see. Yeah, green is on means the microcontroller is on, or the Arduino board is on, but LED is not glowing. Because we have instructed the compiler to make pin number 13 unknown. Okay, so are you understand? If
Yes, sir.
I make it at high, it will glow. Okay, and if I write here a low, it won't glow.
Glow.
Clear? Now, if I want to blink it, then I have to make it high as well as low. Okay, one time high and one time low.
Glow.
Because it is in loop, if I write here SIGH high, stop, the site is stop here, and HIGH high, and I start the code here. It's going now. If I write again this line, digital WRIT capital, that makes leave semicolon. And what I am instructing here that pin number 13 is low now. Okay, okay, that's it. This is low. So what will happen now? Can you answer me?
It will first glow, then it will just stop glowing after that.
Okay, it might be it might blink. Okay, it will on and off. Are you saying that? You are expecting
Yes.
this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's are you right or not? Okay, you are saying that it will blink if we execute this code. Okay, let's see. But it's not blinking. It's continuously glowing.
Glowing.
But if I tell you that it's blinking, am I wrong or right? You are saying that it will blink, but it's not blinking. Yeah, but I'm saying that it is blinking. Are you able to get my point or not? No, I think. Let me explain. It is blinking very rapidly, but your eye cannot hmm, what differentiate the switching. Okay, it's fast blinking. It's very fast. So our eye cannot detect it. That is blinking. Okay, let me add some delay. Okay, so our eye can package. Okay. So I am adding some delay here. Delay is a function. Okay. Like I want to add some delay. So 100, this is a 1000 millisecond. Okay. 1000 millisecond equals to 1 second. Okay. So I am what, let me explain, let me write first and then explain it. Now, what I have done here, I have add a delay. Okay. Delay is this code will execute and it will stay here from control it for 1 second. It will not execute this one. Okay. This line will execute, then wait for 1 second, and then it will input this line and then do it again. Okay. So here is a delay between 1 second in every instruction. Okay. So this is marked as controller will execute this and wait for 1 second, and then execute this and wait for 1 second. Okay. And let we happen here. The magic now. It's blinking
Yes, sir.
means what? Are you getting my point or not? If we remove the delay, there is no delay, and it is switching so fast. So I can distinguish. I can't distinguish between these blinking. Okay. Clear? So if you reduce the time, it will blinking rapidly or fastly. Okay. Let me make it half a second. Okay. Half a second, 500 milliseconds. It blink fastly. Look at this. Okay. And if I make it 100 milliseconds, blinking so fast. Look at fitting. Okay. Now, if I make this delay more less than 80 and 80, now or I can't distinguish. Okay. It's invisible. And if I make it 50, then I think you can't distinguish between seconds. Here, you're not able to distinguish of high and low, or on off setting. Okay. So this is the delay you have to use. So our eye or our mind can distinguish the setting. Okay. So I'm just adding here again for delay of is 100 milliseconds. It's good for blinking. Blinking. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Both these codes are clear to you? Clear? Now you
Yes.
must have to connect this. You have to make this connection, and then you have to write these codes. Okay. Now start. I will instruct you side by side. First, you have to put your Arduino board, breadboard, one LED, two jumper wires, and a USB cable. Take a component and start connecting.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Yes. Just show me your board. I'm not able to see. Yeah, good. Not connect. Yeah. You want to take the breadboard, take one LED, two jumper wire from different color, male to male, First, you have to insert LED and connect ground to cathode, means negative terminal, in ground to negative terminal, or you can take cathode of LED, and pin number 13 of Arduino board to positive or anode of LED. Okay. Now this is connected and your
Yes.
Arduino is already on. Eh? I'm not able to see your LED and breadboard. Yeah, now it's visible to me. Okay. So your LED is not glowing. Okay.
Yes.
Now run your Arduino program. Launch your Arduino program on laptop, and I will share my code to you via comment box. So first I'm providing you the code so you can just copy. Now I have provided the code in chat section. Okay, you can copy from there. You have received the code.
Yes, sir.
Now let me launch my Arduino IDE. So I will tell you where you have to copy. This is our first program, so you not to worry about that. You're not getting anything. As time passes, we will just and will enjoy it. Okay. So your Arduino program is open
Yes, sir. It's open.
now. There is an Arduino Uno written top left corner. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Stop sharing this screen and I will share Arduino. Now, okay. Now, look at here. Are you able to see my mouse?
Yes,
Where
sir.
Arduino Uno. Okay. Just click here and Control A to select all. Okay, select all.
Yes,
Selected.
sir.
Now delete everything. Delete it.
Yes. And
Delete it. Select everything and delete. Control A and delete. Delete everything. You can select from mouse also and can delete. Okay. It's not necessary to use a keyboard if you are not compatible with that. You can click with the look. You have to select this and then delete. You have to select it and delete. Okay. That's
yes, I
very
have done.
please clear. Okay, you have done. Now,
Yes.
copy what I have sent to you in chat section. Just you have to copy the code. Okay. Just you have to copy the code and just you have to paste here. Look at there.
I have
You
done.
have to copy. Oh, let me check. I have sent you all the codes or not? From void. Wait, wait, yeah, yeah. You have to copy the whole code from here and just you have to paste here. Okay. You have pasted here.
Yes, I have pasted.
Here, look at here. Verify. First, you have to verify. Click on the verify.
So where is the verify one done? Okay, sir.
You
I
have
have done.
already verified.
Yes,
Done.
sir.
Now click on this arrow. This is upload. Click on upload. Okay. So,
Yeah.
but I don't
So
have
it's
that.
showing copy error message.
What copy and message? Let's
Yes, sir.
look here. Arduino Uno is connected or not?
So it's connected.
Connected. Here, what is written here? Arduino Uno. Look at here. Arduino Uno is written here or not?
Yes, sir, it's Arduino.
Arduino. Just share your screen first. Let me check what is going on. Copy here and why using copy here. Com file. Okay. Okay, good. Now first verify. Yeah. First verify the code. This is actually called a step here. Okay. You can call it. Now, this is successful. There is no error. Now you can upload. Just click here. Compiling. And uploading done.
Yes, sir.
Done uploading. Now just show me your project. It is blinking. Yeah. Now please off your screen sharing. Then just screen share, off your screen sharing. Then show me now. You show me your project. Good. So have you understood this? What actually the code is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, come to screen. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to just remember the two functions, word setup and word loop. And two functions, inbuilt functions, that is pin mode. Okay, in pin mode, P is small and N is capital. And there are two arguments, 13 comma output means pin number and output or input. And there is another function, inbuilt function that is digital write. Okay, so D is small and W is capital. And it takes two arguments, pin number and high or low. High is what? On. And low is
On
what?
and off.
Off. Okay. Now using delay, you can use the blinking. You can control the blinking of LED. Okay. So you have to just practice. You can increase or just increase 1 second, 2 seconds, and just go to it. Okay. One or more. You have to practice for one or more. Two times, please. Okay. So now you have to practice at least 2 times. Okay. When increasing the delay time. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And if you are interested, you can change the pin number also. Currently, we are using pin number 13. Okay. If I will say you that you have to use pin number 7, it is the homework. Okay. So in code, where we are going to change, you have to change. Okay. And I will take it and class. Yeah. You have to use
Yes.
pin number 7. Okay. So I will see the code. You can test. You just change the code where you want to and just upload it. It will work. So very good. If not, I will send you a training. Okay. So till then, and in next class we will use more than one LED. We'll go for two LED and then three LED and four LED. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And you have to ask some questions also. Okay. Then only you'll get what the coding is. Otherwise you won't. Okay. So be prepared and be practice it. Good. Okay. That's for today. I'm ending class. Okay.
Okay, sir.